Hello everybody, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm actually going to unbox the Starbucks planner that I got. The Christmas tradition of Starbucks where you collect stickers. Um they start to give away stickers I think every November, and then it went on, and then it's gonna be the last day tomorrow to claim the stickers. Tomorrow would be January 20. So I made sure that I was able to claim one of their planners because the planner is really important to mommies like me, because I need a place where I would write down the tasks that I have and the important reminders that I need for the whole year. And of course, um, every time I see my planner, it also motivates me to do the tasks that I need to accomplish. Since it's very pretty, I was seeing the planner displayed in the Starbucks cafes, and now I'm going to open this and let's see what's inside. So I got the gray colored planner, and this is how it looks like. Okay, it's sealed, so I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to open this with you guys. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So this is the cover. It smells good. And there's a black paper that covers the planner. So after you remove the black paper, this is what you will see. There's a pen outside and the planner itself. And it comes with this, I don't know, what is this? It says, every cup is a journey that starts as a gift. From the earth to a feeling of warm belonging in a welcoming space, a place where you feel seen, heard, and celebrated. Our work is always evolving and we can't do it alone. Together we will be able to carry out a shared mission of nurturing the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. So this is the design of the inner part of the back part of the box. So for the planner, um, I assume you have to remove the pen first, and then you can open this. Wow, look at that. So it comes with this one, a pack of filler, and it has stickers. So I think you can put your stickers here. You can put the whole sheet of sticker here. And then later I'm gonna put the papers. And then you also have this sleeve where you can put your cards. And the logo is here. It's embossed. And you can put maybe you can put something like a long paper, or probably some other cards. And then in this part of the planner, we also provided a ruler that will fit here. Okay. So you really need the pen to be able to lock this part of the planner. And the pen looks like this. Let me try the ink. The pink is the ink is actually black, and it writes really well. Thank you for watching. Bye.